Hello there. If you tuned in this video, you want to know if you can start fly fishing on a budget. And the answer is yes, a resounding yes. And I'm going to give you two options to choose from that I personally use and trust, because there is a lot of garbage out there online. So be super careful when shopping for an inexpensive fly rod and reel setup. The first one I want to recommend is just over $100, and it's from Cortland. They are a family-owned and operated company, so you know you're getting something made with quality, and they're going to stand behind their product. They have a 5-weight, it's a fair play. It is 8 foot long. I do prefer 9 foot long rods just because you can cast them a little further and they're a little more accurate. But for a beginner rod, 8 feet is fine. I've casted and caught fish on that setup. It's got a decent line, decent reel, and just for over $100, it's a great way to get started with fly fishing. If you want to up your price just a little bit more, there's a second rod, and that is the Echo. The Echo has a great starter pack. It's right around $200, and you just get a little bit better rod. You get something, again, that's family owned and operated right out of my home state of Vancouver, Washington, and it's 9 foot long. So you get a little bit of an upgrade on the length, a little easier to cast, a little more accurate at 9 feet. So if you want to spend just a little bit more, that Echo setup is a really great setup. Next, you're going to need a tapered leader. You can go to your fly shop and get one tapered leader. Preferably get either a 9 foot long, tapered meaning it starts off real thick and goes thin at the end, 9 foot long 4X, which is about 7 pound test, roughly, I'm guessing here, or a 9 foot 3X, which is closer to 10 pound test. Now you need some flies, right? That's the next thing you're going to need. So there's two places you can go. One is online with Red's Flies. They actually have a box that I put together, the FFD box, that are all of my favorite trout flies, and they'll work on crappie as well. Or go to your local fly shop. You'll probably spend $25, $30 to get a few dry patterns, a few nymphs, and a few streamers. Then once you have that, you really can go out and fly fish, right? There's nothing holding you back. Now, you could have a lot of crap like I have, and once you get into fly fishing, just like with anything else, right? With bass fishing, with traditional fishing, salmon fishing, pretty soon you just have a shit ton of gear. And that's okay. You're gonna do the same thing with fly fishing. Pretty soon you'll upgrade your rods. Pretty soon you'll wanna get a gear bag or a sling pack because you don't wanna put the fly box in your pocket. Pretty soon it's waders, wading boots, all sorts of things, right? Eventually, you're gonna wanna get a net, right? And then finally, sunglasses, right? You can get some cheapies. Go to the discount store, get yourself a $10 pair of polarized. That's the biggest thing, right? Make sure they're polarized. Even the polarized gas station sunglasses will work, so you're protecting your eyes and you can see into the water, and you are ready to fish. So it really is that easy. And then, especially when you're using streamers, right, there's not a lot of finesse. You can just get the line out a little ways in front of you and you're gonna catch fish, just like this. There we go. Nice. Oh, nice. Wow. Heavy, hefty fish. Wow. All right, so I hope that helps you get into fly fishing, because it doesn't have to be expensive. It certainly can be, just like with anything else, but it doesn't have to be for you to get out there and enjoy this sport. So I'll leave the links on the couple of recommendations I made in the pinned comment, and until the next time, fish on.